Kate Spade Leila Medium Triple Compartment Satchel Crossbody Bag Purse Handbag Leather Dust Bag not included. Authentic Leila Medium Triple Compartment Satchel Black and Gold Hardware 10.5 inches top, 11.5 inches bottom, width, x 8.5 inches, height, x 5.5, depth, handles are 6 inches drop long shoulder strap included Pebbled leather Kate Spade Leila Medium Triple Compartment Satchel Crossbody Bag Purse Handbag Adjustable, removable crossbody strap, 3 compartments to organize your daily essentials zipped middle compartment, 1 zip pocket in the back compartment, and 2 slide pockets in the front compartment Appriximate Dimension, 8.75, HX 12.625 inches WX 5.5, D. Handle drop, 5.75, strap drop, 22 inches. If you want to buy this wonderful handbag then clicks on the downlink present in description. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.